Yes?
Sherry?
Yes? Yeah.
Where are you going?
To the park.
The park?
Yeah.
What you said that or something?
Oh. Like 5 minutes or so? 10 minutes? Oh. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shirley and I'm back with another video. So in today's video we're going to be trying out some new makeup products that I purchased over time and I want to try it with you guys. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and use is my Precision Brow Pencil. It is from ColourPop and it's in the shade Black and Brown. Ooh. How do I twist it? Did I break it? Oh. So this is what it looks like. It's a pencil. It has the spoolie and the pencil on one side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows because I always do my eyebrows first. Very nice. Do you guys see that? It looks amazing. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, so the brows are all done. It looks good, I think. Yeah, and it felt really nice. It glides on very smoothly. Next I'm gonna use is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Now this is just like a tester. This is the sample, the tester. I didn't buy the real one yet because I want to see how this one works. But it is a very clear consistency. It's clear. It definitely blurs your pores. It's like a pore filler. Pore filler. Foundation that we're going to be using today is the Born This Way. It's Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It is medium to full coverage, undetectable, and I am using the shade Cocoa. So I've heard a lot of good stuff about this foundation, so I wanted to try it for myself. I bought the foundation and also the concealer. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. This is what it looks like. It is 1 fluid ounce, which is what the standard is for any foundation. This is what it looks like. So you can pump it out, which is pretty cool. It's really nice. It's definitely glass, so don't break it. I am taking pictures today, so I really hope this comes out good. But I would usually go in with my Laura Mercier powder or any translucent powder and put that over my face before I put my foundation on. I think I'm supposed to do it before I put my primer on, but I forgot. So we're just gonna go ahead and do it now to make sure that I'm oil free. Okay. So let's go ahead and get into this foundation. Let's try it out. Ooh, that's a lot. blend this sucker out. It is definitely full coverage. Oh, it has a tip. It's oil-free foundation, masterly diffuses the line between makeup and skin, coverage so undetectable, and skin so naturally radiant they'll think that you were born this way. Ah, got it. The tip is apply from center of face outward and blend. Build to full coverage by layering as needed. It's definitely full coverage. Like, your girl is like, it looks like skin, it looks like dewy, and it smells good. I think it's because it's infused with it has coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid. The next thing I'm gonna go ahead and go in with is the concealer. This is in the shade Toffee. I could have gotten one like for like brighter under eye, but I just got Toffee because it's like, you know, I don't really like to do the bright under eye, and if I do, I'll probably use one of my other concealers, but we're gonna go ahead and try this one out. This literally looks like a mini size of the foundation. So this is the foundation, this is the concealer. Look how big this concealer thing is. I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender and blend it out. So it literally blended into my skin. I'm definitely gonna go with like a lighter one, but this is good for like everyday wear. But if you want like that bam bam, you're probably gonna go like a shade lighter. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Wet n Wild concealer just to brighten it up just a little bit. Alright, my skin really looks amazing. To set my under eye, I'm gonna go ahead and go with the Laura Mercier. This is the new one that came out, the translucent one. I got like a little sample, a little tester when I made my purchase on Sephora online. So we're gonna use that for our under eye and test it out. I'm so scared to try these products as I'm about to go take a picture. I hope they all come out to be like amazing in the pictures. Oh, it has like a glow. I think I'll just use this for my, I think I'll use this as a highlighter. I'm just gonna use my Old Faithful, Made Me Fit Me.
A few moments later.
Alright, so now I'm gonna be using the new Laura Mercier translucent powder. I have a little sample, and I'm gonna use that as like a little bit of highlighter. Oh, it's pretty. It's very pretty. I don't know if you guys can see. It's really pretty. Look at that. thing I have is this lip gloss from ColourPop. It's called Cheat Code, and I think it's like the perfect fall lipstick. So we're gonna go ahead and try that. Oh my god, look how it looks. This is what it looks like. This is so pretty. Let's test it on. Oh wow, this is very pretty. Look at it. That's pretty. So I'm going to be using this today on my lippy lips. This is very pretty. It is definitely a fall lipstick. I should have added this to my lipstick that I did, but this is very pretty. Oh my god, look at it. Ooh, this is very pretty. Ooh, I'm so excited. I do believe this is it for this video. These are some of the new products that I purchased. I'm definitely going to be testing out the foundation, but so far it feels really good and it looks amazing on my skin. Like, it looks really good on my skin. For the eyebrow pencil, it was good. Overall, I am very satisfied with all of the products that I purchased and that I tried on today, and I'm just looking bomb. Like the highlight, the blush, the foundation, the concealer, the eyebrows, the lashes. Oh, these are your lash bar that I'm trying out again. This is in the shade. This is in the style Cosmopolitan by Your Lash Bar. I'm very happy with all the products that I purchased today. But yes, you guys, I'm very happy with all the products that I purchased today. My face looks amazing. Like, the foundation looks good. Hopefully, like, I could take a good picture today, which is what I'm about to go do anyways. And I'm definitely going to post it and come back later on and let you guys know how everything is holding up, how it holds up in the Florida heat, the Florida sun, the Florida fall weather. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed and you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl. Oh, that was a weak one. Like I always say, God first and you will never be last. I will definitely be coming back with an update on how everything is holding up. But I look good, right? Right? Do I look good? I'm just going to go and fix my hair because I just put it on for the purpose of the video, but I'm going to go ahead and fix it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.
Many hours later.
I look a little bit different. That's because I'm ready for the day. I'm done. I'm ready to take off my makeup. But before I do, I wanted to come and show you guys what it's looking like after wearing it for about 5 to 6 hours. I've been wearing it since 11 o'clock this morning. It is now 5 o'clock, so that's about like 6 hours difference, right? And this is how my face is looking so far. The blush is still popping, the highlight is still popping. The brows are still here. My camera is still blurry. So, do I recommend this foundation? Yeah, it definitely is medium to full coverage. This foundation lasted in the sun, like this hot Florida sun. The foundation was good in the Florida sun. So any foundation that withstands the Florida heat is a good foundation for me and my oily skin. The Smashbox primer, it was very good. I'm surprised. It definitely did hold up. And for the foundation, it definitely did hold up. Now the foundation retails for $39. Okay, I know it's a little expensive, I'm not gonna lie. And the concealer is $29. But you get a lot for $29 for the concealer. Like, this is a lot of concealer for $29. And this is the standard size for a foundation, which is like 1 fluid ounce. So and they both have like, this one comes with a pump, which is very good. I like that. I don't have to open it up. I can just pump, you know what I'm saying, and beat the face. As far as the eyebrow pencil from ColourPop, I liked it. I was shook. I was like, okay. And it wasn't that bad for it to be like $5. It was like $5.50 or $6. Can't remember. But nonetheless, it was less than $10, and I like that. This color is called Cheat Code. I need everybody to get this, okay? This is good for any type of skin. Whatever your shade is, this will look good on you. Like, this color is amazing. Like, it's nice and shimmery, and it's very fall. Very, very fall. Like, one coat does the job, but if you want to do 2 coats, you could definitely do that. And of course, my lash bars that I'm not wearing right now, I definitely recommend you guys get it because it's not really expensive. And what else did I use today? I don't remember. Oh, the little Laura Mercier translucent powder. I did use that as highlight, and it was really cute. It was nice. I'm surprised. I'm shook. It was really cute. Would I buy the big one? I don't think so, because I already have the other one. Laura, you good? I'm good. We Gucci. I do believe that was it. I don't think I tried anything else that was new today. But as far as all the products I've tried today, I'm thoroughly impressed by all of them. They have wowed me to my highest expectations. So I definitely plan on using these, because I don't want to just like use it in a video and then not use it ever again. I'm definitely going to use this foundation. I might wear makeup to work tomorrow. Who knows? I might, may not. I might, but I may not. Comment down below if you wear makeup to work. Gotta drink your water and mind your business, right? Cheers. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.